The Today in Manufacturing podcast offers a powerful and unique perspective on the biggest stories impacting U.S. manufacturers. Anna Wells, David Manti, and Jeff Ranke apply their experience as editors of industry-leading brands Manufacturing.net and Industrial Equipment News in providing in-depth analysis of the latest headlines. Their insight, along with a mix of humor and human interest, makes Today in Manufacturing a go-to source. Keep pace with supply chain challenges, electric vehicle developments, labor struggles, robotics, and more by listening, downloading, and subscribing to the Today in Manufacturing podcast.
Robotics company Figure and ChatGPT maker OpenAI are only 2 weeks into their partnership, but the collaboration is already producing some astounding and slightly unsettling results. Figure this week shared an update on Figure 1's progress and said it can now have full conversations with people after connecting to a large, pre-trained multimodal model. The company said its robot can now describe its visual experience, plan future actions and use common sense reasoning, reflect on its memory, and explain its reasoning verbally. In a new video, Figure 1 identifies everything in its field of vision, gives someone an apple when they ask for something to eat, and then explains its logic in determining that the apple was the only edible thing on the table. While having a conversation in real time, Figure 1 also determines how to put away dishes and cleans up trash, all while speaking in a very natural tone of voice. The company confirmed that all behaviors seen in the video are learned and not teleoperated.
So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
OpenAI and Figure said they are relying on the robot's onboard cameras to feed into a large vision language model that can break down the entire history of the conversation and determine the best language responses. The model also determines which of the robot's learned behaviors, which are driven by neural network visual-motor transformer policies, best fulfills given commands. When Figure and OpenAI announced their agreement 2 weeks ago, the company said integrating specialized AI models into Figure 1 should help accelerate the commercial timeline for the robot, which is still in development. Figure already has a significant client in BMW, which earlier this year announced plans to introduce general-purpose robots on its production lines. If Figure 1 continues to progress the way it has, BMW employees will soon have robot coworkers that can not only handle tedious tasks, but also keep them company as well. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.